So how do you foresee the evolution of the acquisition strategy as you're looking to target more institutional equity? Like you said, you're looking to scale and get into more pension endowments, right? For them,
Yep.
2000s
Totally
is the new
different.
80s.
Yep.
So I think you have to evolve.
Yeah, I mean, right now, our bread and butter is the syndication arm, so we're continuing to gonna pound the payment essentially for those 80s, 90s, or 2000s value add. We've last year, I think we spoke with a number of like private equity firms out there, institutional investors, and a lot of them obviously are on the sidelines. But they did give us metrics that they look at, which is they want 2000s plus vintage. They want light value add. They don't want us to go in and spend 16,000. They want us to spend $1,200 on a deal and increase rent. So we're like, well, those don't exist. So if I go tie up a deal like that, my investor's not going to want it. You may or may not invest. So it puts me in a pickle, essentially. So right now, our biggest focus is, find deals that our investors do like and value add deals that we can execute on, as opposed to trying to tie up like a 2020 deal and then going out to these pension funds or sovereign funds or whatever to, potentially look at the deal if we can get even to the door on that end. Even if it's a great basis, great deal, again, as they've never worked with us. There's a dating game that goes on that end, and really kind of breaking into that institutional equity. It could be a double-edged sword. Like we could get a great deal, we could get somebody to just write 90% of the check, and then end up having to hire someone just to deal with that relationship. Like that's not something we want to do either. So we've been focused on 80s value add the entire time, or 80s or 90s. And something that kind of fits our investor model right now. And we know the market's, bottoming out, it's going to get better. And we know that institutional equities is going to come back, but we don't want to be in a situation where, we have to, go through all these hoops just to line up one equity check and then accidentally let go of the syndication arm on the other end.
Yeah.